Have you ever pondered the profound importance of the wheel in human history? It's a simple object, yet it has propelled us forward in ways that are truly remarkable. The story of the wheel is not one of a sudden flash of brilliance, but rather a slow burn of progress over millennia. Its beginnings are shrouded in mystery, with historians piecing together the puzzle through archaeological finds and ancient artifacts. Imagine our earliest ancestors struggling to transport heavy loads. Perhaps they noticed that a fallen log or a large rounded stone, when rolled, made the task less arduous. This simple observation, born of necessity, likely sparked the initial idea. This was the dawn of the early roller and sledges era. Fast forward a few thousand years, and we reach the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, around 3,500 years before the Common Era. Here, we find one of the first practical uses of the wheel, in pottery making. Potters began using a horizontal spinning wheel to shape clay, transforming a laborious task into a more efficient one. But the wheel was destined for grander things. By around 3,000 years before the Common Era, the Sumerians of Mesopotamia began using wheels in transportation. These early wheels were solid wooden discs, likely attached to carts or sledges, significantly easing the burden of transporting goods and materials. Yet, the wheel kept evolving. Around 2,000 years before the Common Era, the spoked wheel made its debut in the ancient Indus Valley civilization and the Middle East. These wheels, with a central hub connected to an outer rim by several wooden spokes, were lighter and more efficient than their solid counterparts. This advancement paved the way for the creation of the first true wheeled vehicles, such as chariots. These vehicles, powered by the spoked wheel, were instrumental in warfare, transportation, and even sport among ancient civilizations, including those of Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China. The wheel's journey from a simple roller to a sophisticated spoked wheel is a testament to human ingenuity. It revolutionized transportation, making it possible to move goods and people over long distances with relative ease. It played a critical role in agriculture, as wheeled plows made farming more efficient. Above all, the wheel became a symbol of human innovation and progress, marking one of our species' most significant technological advancements. In essence, the wheel's story is a gradual yet relentless journey spanning thousands of years, starting with the basic concept of rolling heavy objects and culminating in the sophisticated spoked wheel that we're familiar with today. Its undeniable impact on human civilization is lasting and profound, as it continues to turn, shaping our present and future.